Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex Ezone 100. The Yonex Ezone 100L 285 grams, 2022 edition is a high-performance tennis racket designed for players seeking a perfect balance between power, control, and maneuverability. Weighing in at a lightweight 285 grams, this racket offers excellent agility and quick handling, making it ideal for intermediate to advanced players who want to enhance their game with speed and precision. Featuring Yonex's signature isometric head shape, the Ezone 100L provides an enlarged sweet spot that delivers consistent and powerful shots, even on off-center hits. This design helps players generate greater accuracy and spin, making it easier to control the ball during fast-paced rallies. The 2022 model incorporates the latest technologies, including a new frame construction that enhances stability while maintaining a comfortable feel on impact. The racket's head size of 100 square inches strikes a perfect balance between power and control, suitable for all court players. Its 16x19 string pattern further aids in creating excellent spin potential, giving players the ability to execute heavy topspin shots effortlessly. With a length of 27 inches, the Ezone 100L ensures versatility for quick net play and baseline strokes alike. Its slightly lighter weight allows for faster swing speeds without sacrificing power, helping players to react swiftly during intense matches. Overall, the Yonex Ezone 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket is an excellent choice for those who want a lightweight, yet powerful and controllable racket. It's perfect for players looking to improve their game with enhanced maneuverability, precision, and spin. Number 2. Wilson Blade 98 V9. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is a high-performance tennis racket designed for players who demand precision, control, and feel on the court. Known for its exceptional balance and responsiveness, the Blade 98 V9 is favored by aggressive baseline players and those who thrive on powerful, accurate shots. This model features a 98 square inch head size, providing a great blend of control and power. The 16x19 string pattern allows players to generate significant spin and maintain excellent ball control, enabling sharper angles and heavier topspin strokes during rallies. With its 98 square inch sweet spot, the racket offers precision even on off-center hits. Unstrung and available in grip sizes 1 through 4, this racket gives players the flexibility to customize string tension and type to suit their playing style and preferences. The V9 version incorporates Wilson's latest advancements in frame technology, enhancing stability and feel while reducing vibrations for more comfort during extended play. Weighing around 305 grams, unstrung, the Blade 98 V9 offers a solid, stable feel that allows players to confidently attack the ball. Its balanced design supports quick maneuverability at the net and powerful ground strokes from the baseline. Overall, the Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 unstrung tennis racket is an excellent choice for intermediate to advanced players seeking a versatile racket that excels in control, spin potential, and comfort. The range of grip sizes makes it accessible to a wide variety of players. Number 3. Head Speed MP. The Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is a versatile and highly regarded racket designed for intermediate to advanced players who want a perfect blend of power, control, and maneuverability. The MP stands for Mid-Plus, referring to the 100 square inch head size, which offers a balanced sweet spot that combines forgiveness with precision. Built with Head's innovative Graphene 360 Plus technology, the Speed MP features enhanced frame stability and optimized energy transfer for explosive power and crisp feedback on every shot. This technology improves both the racket's strength and flexibility, giving players confidence with each swing and allowing them to generate pace effortlessly. Weighing approximately 300 grams, unstrung, the Speed MP is agile enough for quick court coverage while maintaining enough mass for solid stability during powerful ground strokes and serves. The racket sports a 16 by 19 string pattern, which aids in generating ample spin without sacrificing control, making it ideal for all court players who like to mix aggressive baseline rallies with net approaches. The 27-inch length offers standard handling and enhanced versatility for various playing styles. The slightly stiff frame gives players added power, while still providing enough flex to feel connected to the ball. Overall, the Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is a well-rounded option for players looking to improve their performance with a racket that offers a smooth blend of power, spin, and precision. It suits players who want to take their game to the next level with a racket built for speed and control. Number 4. Babolat Pure Aero. The Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen tennis racket is a signature model designed in collaboration with tennis legend Rafael Nadal, tailored for players who prioritize spin, power, and control. This racket is part of Babolat's renowned Pure Aero line, famous for its ability to generate heavy topspin and aggressive baseline play. Featuring a 100 square inch head size and a 16 by 19 string pattern, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen is optimized for maximum spin potential, helping players impart significant revolutions on the ball for sharper, more penetrating shots. The aerodynamic frame design reduces air resistance, enabling faster swing speeds and enhanced racket head acceleration. Constructed with Babolat's advanced technologies, including the FSI spin technology, the racket's string pattern and frame geometry work together to increase string movement, generating extra snapback for more spin. Additionally, Cortex Pure Feel technology enhances vibration dampening, providing a more comfortable and connected feel on impact. Weighing approximately 300 grams, unstrung, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen offers a balanced feel that combines stability with maneuverability, allowing players to confidently handle fast-paced rallies and powerful serves. Its 27-inch length provides a standard grip that suits a wide range of playing styles. Overall, the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen is an excellent choice for intermediate to advanced players seeking a racket that delivers exceptional spin, power, and precision. It's especially suitable for aggressive baseliners looking to dominate with heavy topspin and dynamic shot-making. Number 5. Babolat Pure Drive. The Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th generation, is a popular tennis racket designed for players seeking a blend of power, forgiveness, and easy maneuverability. With a larger 110 square inch head size, this racket offers an expanded sweet spot, making it highly forgiving on off-center hits and ideal for intermediate players or those who want extra power with less effort. This 10th General Pure Drive model comes pre-strung with 16G Babolat synthetic gut strings, tensioned at a mid-range level. This string setup strikes a good balance between control and power, providing players with consistent ball response and comfortable feel on every stroke. Weighing around 280 grams, unstrung, the Pure Drive 110 is lightweight, allowing for quick swings and enhanced maneuverability around the court. Its slightly longer length helps generate additional power and reach, useful for aggressive baseline play and effective net approaches. The racket features Babolat's signature technologies, including Cortex Pure Feel for vibration dampening, delivering improved comfort and reducing fatigue during extended matches. The aerodynamic frame design also boosts swing speed, allowing players to generate more power and spin effortlessly. Overall, the Babolat Pure Drive 110 10th Gen is an excellent choice for players looking for a power-oriented racket with a forgiving sweet spot and versatile playability. Its combination of lightweight design, generous head size, and advanced string setup makes it a favorite among recreational and club players wanting to improve their game.